Football is sometimes in the way we saw today. The first chance to score was for us with James Prowse, and wasn't possible. And after we have chances enough to equalize the game. So maybe we were talking about another history, but at the end of the game we lost. Just congratulate, well done for Sunderland. And just we are thinking now in the next game, try to recover the players, to train during a week, and be ready for the next match. You know, the striker is happy when they score. It's a little bit disappointed when the ball is going out, no? You know, but Ricky try as good he can to play, and so nothing to say. As a team, as a player, so they try to do the best. We couldn't, especially the first half, because Sunderland played with energy. So a little bit different if we review the last game we play here in the Premier League. So they stopped us better, and but I think in the second half we conceded a simple goal. But the last 15-20 minutes we had chances enough to equalize the game.